Welcome to ElementLumber.com. While we do everything possible to ensure you receive nothing but the finest domestic and premium tropical hardwoods, unfortunately, and though it rarely happens, material does sometimes get damaged in transit. Before any order leaves one of our facilities, your materials will have been inspected 3 times. First, before it's loaded into a container in the country of origin. Second, when it arrives at our facilities. And lastly, before it ships out en route to you. While Element Lumber is not responsible for products damaged during shipping, we will work with you every step of the way to help resolve the issue. If the product is damaged in any way, do not refuse the product. It is best to receive the product and in turn, replacement material will be shipped out to you. Should the receiving party refuse the product, this does not recuse the customer of redelivery or return shipping costs. To expedite the resolution of a damaged in transit claim, there are several steps the homeowner contractor must take as the receiving party. Step 1. Inspecting the material. When your order first arrives, it is the sole responsibility of the receiving party to fully inspect all material and packages at the time of delivery for any damage that may have occurred in transit. If unloading by a forklift, we recommend removing any protective wrapping to fully inspect the product. As most orders will be delivered hand unload, it affords you the opportunity to inspect and count every piece that comes off the truck. Any obvious issues should be immediately photographed. Step 2. Noting the damage and signing for the material. Before the driver leaves, you as the receiver will have to sign for the material. Before you sign the delivery receipt accepting delivery, you must write on the delivery receipt what, if any, pieces are missing and what, if any, pieces are damaged. Products that have not been delivered should be signed for as short, noting the exact items missing. Products that are delivered damaged should be signed for as damaged, noting the exact items damaged. If the delivery receipt has been signed for with no short nor damaged exceptions noted, or if the photographs of the damaged material have not been provided, the trucking company will view the shipment as having been delivered in good order and will not honor any claims. Step 3. Submitting the claim. If damage did occur during transit, as stated, any and all damage must be noted on the delivery receipt in detail and signed by the receiver and the driver. Any damaged material for which you are filing a claim must be set aside, unused and unaltered for the freight company to come back and pick up once the claim has been processed. A copy of the signed paperwork, along with the corresponding photographs of the damage, must then be emailed to your representative at ElementLumber.com. We will then file the claim with the trucking company on your behalf and work to get replacement material on its way to you. Following these few simple steps is all that is required to ensure any problems are resolved and you as the customer are satisfied. For the design elements you desire, Element Lumber is your source. Call or email us with any questions you may have and we will be happy to assist you. Element Lumber, bringing the lumberyard to you.